Hello students, today we are going to start a new poem that is Autumn. It is by Joseph T. Rinaldi. First of all, you should know that what is known as the autumn season. Autumn season is the season when all trees shed their leaves and it arrives mainly in September and October, or we can say it arrives before the winter season. So let's start the poem. Autumn is coming soon if one believes the land will be covered with a blanket of leaves, flowers wilting beneath the hazy sky, no longer attracting a beautiful butterfly. In this, the poet says that if anybody can notice, the season of autumn is coming soon, and when this season will come, the land will be covered by the blanket of leaves. You can see this in the picture. Then the autumn season begins. The trees start shedding their leaves and whole the ground will be covered by the leaves. Flowers building beneath the hazy sky, no longer attracting a beautiful butterfly. See the flowers in the picture. They are wilted or they are looking very sad, maybe due to the hotness of the sun, and they are not attracting the butterflies. Why? Because they are not looking so beautiful. Autumn is on the horizon, I can tell by the colored leaves that fell. While all around the land was green, the change in the season hardly seen. Now the poet says that I can tell the autumn is on the horizon. Horizon means we can say from far. We can see from far that the autumn is coming. Why? How? Because there are all around colorful leaves on the ground, but the ground is looking very green. Why? Because the trees shed their leaves on ground, so the change of season is hardly seen because there is greenery all around on the ground. Autumn is on the horizon, I can tell. Orchard trees are fruitless as well. Their outstretched boughs as in a spell, and bears collecting honey in a dell. Now the poet is saying again that autumn is on the horizon, or he can see that autumn is coming because the orchard trees are fruitless. See in the picture, there is no fruit on the trees. Same in the autumn season. The trees are fruitless and see their branches. They are just looking spreading in a magic or in a spell. And bears collect in a dell. And the poet says that bears start collecting honey or their food for their eating in their dell or in their houses. Autumn is on the horizon, I can tell. Birds not singing on the porch rail. Sensing the coming of the autumn chill, prepare to flock on the nearby hill. Now the poet is saying that autumn season is coming and birds are not looking very happy. As he is saying that birds not singing, that birds are not looking happy. Why birds are not looking happy? Because there are no fruits on the trees, there are no leaves on the trees, there are no flowers, so they are not happy and they are not singing, and they know that the autumn is coming, so they are preparing to go to on a nearby hill. Autumn is on the horizon, I can tell, seeing woolly caterpillars on the boarded well, squirrels scurrying across the ground where hickory nuts now abound. Now the author is saying that the horizon or autumn is on the horizon, means autumn is coming, and the caterpillars, see these are nuts. Caterpillars are on bounded or on the boarded well, means they are on the to drink water, and we can say that they are feeling very thirsty now. And then the squirrels are collecting hickory nuts because hickory nuts are so much on the ground now due to the autumn season. Then upon an autumn day, colorful leaves begin to fade in the midst of a chilly, frosty air as multitude of trees grew steadily bare. Now the season of autumn has arrived. All the colorful leaves have fed, and in the dust of frosty and chilly air means the air is cold now, and all the trees are bare, means there is nothing left on the trees except the branches. Once upon an autumn day, the whispering breeze was here to stay, moving aimlessly through the countless trees, scattering leaves with the greatest of ease. Now, the poet is saying that the breeze, or we can say the air, is moving here and there through the countless trees, and it scattered the leaves very easily, because with the help of wind, the trees are shedding their leaves very easily. Then, upon an autumn day, the leaves whirled freely in every way, until at last they came to rest, finding a haven in which to nest. Now, when all the leaves are shaded by the trees, then these leaves are moving freely everywhere on the ground. Okay, up to when? Up to when they reach to the rest, means when from the trees, when they to the ground and find their nest, means find their place on the ground. Then upon an autumn day, the trees were dormant and the leaves lay, waiting for the winter snow to fall to quickly obscure them one and all. And when the autumn day has become, the trees were dormant, means there is nothing left on the trees, and the leaves, all the leaves are on the ground, and they are waiting for the winter snow to come and cover them all, because after autumn season, winter season will arrive. Thank you all the students. If you have any query regarding this poem, you may ask to me.